Good morning, kids. It's me, Teacher Claire. It's a beautiful day today because it's a sunny day, and I do hope that you're all doing fine at home. Okay, so kids, how are you today? How are you today? I'm fine, teacher. Okay, that's good to hear. So today is another day. It's a new lesson. It's going to be a new lesson, and that would be math. And before we start, let's have a review of what we learned so far. Okay. So in our math lessons, we most of the time learn how to count numbers, your smallest to biggest, and many more. But let's review your numbers 1 to 20, okay? So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good job. One more time. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good job, kids. So we are going to use your numbers for our activity in our lesson today, because today is going to be connecting the dots. Okay, connecting the dots. Right? So we have some activity using your book. Let's get started. So look at the board. In here, maybe this one, you already have an idea what this is. Okay, let's find out if you are correct. So in our lesson today, we are going to connect. Okay, connect meaning from one point to the other points and drawing a line. Again, drawing a line from one point to the other points. Okay, for example, this one. I draw, not a drawing, I have something here with, it's made up of dots, okay? And I have numbers. So if you notice, I wrote here the numbers. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So disregard 21. Okay. So what are we going to do, kids? We are going to connect. So draw a line from one dot to the other dots. Okay. For example, I give you an example. So this is a dot. Okay. This is a dot. This is a dot. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to follow the numbers. Okay. Again, we are going to follow the numbers from 1 going up. Okay, so from 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to follow the numbers. You should not jump from one number to the other numbers, because it will ruin or it will destroy the picture. Okay, so we are going to begin from number 1 going up. Okay, so for example, this is 1. This is 2, and this is 3. So we need to follow 1 first. So what we're going to do is to draw a line. Okay, let's draw a line. So 1, 2. There's number 2. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So from 1, 2, and what's next to number 2 is number 3. So we're going to connect this dot going to number 3 dot. Okay, so this is what connecting the dots looks like. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in our lesson today. Again, I'll give you one more example. I'll give you one more example. Okay. Okay, so for example, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, this is quite complicated, but I want to show you that you need to follow the numbers, okay? Even if whatever the picture looks like, I just want you to follow the numbers, because this is also one way for you to practice and remember your numbers, okay? In the correct order, okay? So number 1, where's number 2? Number 2 is here. So we're going to draw a line from number 1 going to number 2. 1, 2. Next to number 2, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to draw a line going to number 3. What's next to number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to draw a line from number 3 going to number 4. So this is number 3. Let's draw a line going to number 4. Okay? And what's next to number 4? We have number 5. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where's number 5? This one. 4 going to 5. Okay? And from number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to find number 6 and then draw a line. There's number 6. So let's draw a line going to number 6. And then you can, just to close, you can just connect it to number 1 just to finish connecting the dots, okay? Alright kids, easy, right? As long as you know your numbers, it's going to be very easy. And I know it's going to be easy because we've been learning numbers for almost 6 months, right? Okay, so let's get started. Let's try this picture. What do you think is this picture? Okay, let's try. So just use your finger, not fingers. Okay, just use one finger to connect the dots, okay? Alright, so help me out. Let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use your finger, kids. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Use your fingers. 17. Okay, wait. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and going back to number 1. Okay, there's something missing. Okay, I'll just draw it. Okay, so what do you think is this? Alright, there. Thank you for helping me connecting the dots, kids. So this is an apple. Okay, it doesn't look like an apple, but it is an apple. So this is an apple. 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 Alright. So very easy, kids, right? You just need to connect the dots. The dots will always be available for you. You just need to connect them from 1 going up. Okay? Alright, so good job. Next, I have here one more. Do you have any idea what picture is this? I hope so. Okay, let's find out. So help me connecting the dots again. Alright, so let's connect them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then going back to number 1. Alright, kids, so what do you think is this picture? Butterfly. Okay, this is a butterfly. Thank you for helping me answering. Oh, connecting the dots. So it's a butterfly. Actually, it's fun doing this, kids, because sometimes you don't have any ideas what kind of picture you can form from the dots, okay? That's why it's very fun and I like doing this when I was still young, like you. And that's it for our connecting the dots. So again, what do you need to remember if you're doing this activity? You have to start from number 1, going up. And if sometimes we also have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, your alphabet, connecting the dots and with the use of alphabets. But since it's math, we're going to use the numbers. So again, remember, just follow the numbers and you will not get lost. Okay? So 1 going up. Alright? So kids, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't worry, I'll give you fun activities later. And we'll have some practice later. So I'll see you later. Kids, welcome back. It's practice time. Now, in here, I have pictures. Kids, this was supposed to be your homeworks and activities inside the classroom that I prepared for you. However, as much as I wanted to give it to you, it's not happening. So I decided to do it today all together so we can help each other, okay? It's a little bit small, but don't worry, I will help you out. It's just a practice, okay? So let's try this one, which is very easy. Okay, so I'll make it bigger maybe? Yeah, I'll just make it bigger. Just this one because it's very easy. So in here, okay, so okay, it just looks like this, right? Okay, so there's numbers again. When connecting the dots, we have to follow the numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so are you ready? Let's connect the dots from 1 to 10. Okay, let's do it. Let's find out what kind of picture are we going to have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so kids, what do you think is this picture? It's banana. I love banana. 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 Good. So this is a kind of fruit, banana. I know you know that. Alright. Next we have here, oh, it's very difficult to copy this now, kids. So let's try to do it from here, okay? So I have here a crocodile. This is a crocodile, sun, clouds, and this is, I guess, not a helicopter, like an airplane. Maybe not an airplane. Okay, so chopper. Yeah, I think chopper is better. Okay, so let's connect the numbers. Actually, it's very small. So please bear with me. Now let's connect it. Don't worry. I'll count from number 1 to 2. Okay? So I'll use the black pen. Okay. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay. There you go. So we just completed the, I think this is like a toy. This is just a picture of a toy because there's a crocodile and something. But this is not a helicopter, this is not an airplane, it's just a toy. Okay? So let's move on to these 2 pictures. Oh, this one is so cute. Okay, let's do it from 1 going to 18. So this is number 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Oh, it's a cat. I guess so. I think it's a cat, right? Okay, so there you go, kids. That's why it's very fun to do this because you don't know what kind of pictures you can complete after connecting the dots. Okay, last, let's have this. Okay, there's already a face there. It looks like an animal, but let's try to complete and connect the dots to make the picture more beautiful. Okay, so let's find number 1. Where's number 1? There, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, it's a lion. Lion is a strong animal. Some, they say he's the king of the jungle. Okay, because he's strong and dangerous. Okay, so it's a lion. See? So earlier, we don't really know what kind of animal it is, right? Like I actually thought it is something else, like a bear, but actually it's a lion. Okay, so kids, that's it. Again, we did it the way that we should do it, especially connecting the dots from 1 going up, following the order of the numbers, because we also learned it before, order of numbers, right? So it's not 1, 5, 8, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so kids, that's your practice. I'll give you some homeworks later, but actually for your practice, I will be sending you some pictures later. It's gonna be colorful pictures that you can connect the dots. So even if you're at home, you can have fun. So please wait for the pictures. I'll be sending you later on for your practice. See you later. Okay, and that kids, for your homework, it's going to be a 1-page homework. I gave you time before to do it. However, most of you didn't do it when we were still having classes inside the classroom. So it's going to be your chance to do this, okay? So just remember, we have to complete, or we need to connect the dots from number 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4 going up, like until you finish connecting the dots, okay? So don't jump from numbers 1 going to number 10, going to number 2, going to number 8. That's wrong. Don't do that because you will have a different picture, okay? So kids, for your homework, please connect the dots on page 74 of your math and science book. It's a very nice picture. I saw it, and you'll have fun doing it at home. So there. So connect the dots and then complete the picture, okay? Alright, so before we go, let's count again your numbers. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Faster! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good job, kids. So again, that's your homework. Please do it. After connecting the dots, you can color the picture, and then you can send me a picture. Okay? So that's it for your math class today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll see you again tomorrow. That's Thursday. So I'll see you.